Hello everyone and welcome to our 2-minute videos. Today's video is going to show you how to look for a recipe online. So the first thing is I'm going to show you how to access Google on your laptops. Here you see a laptop screen. Click onto the start button on your left hand side. Your laptop will boost up. You will see all these programs on the menu bar. Here you have Chrome and you have Internet Explorer. So whichever internet you're using, you click onto that. And generally the default website is Google, but if you don't, then you can just type in Google in the search box where I put down pizza recipe and basically press return or OK on your phones. For Chrome, you just type in Google. Here you would actually type in how to make pizza and you will see lots of websites which has pizza recipes. The good thing about it is when you see the stars and the number under the brackets, it actually shows you number of people who reviewed this website, and stars shows you what's the rating they have given it. Now we will choose the Good Food website. The reason I chose this one for you because it actually has videos, so you can see how they prep the pizza. You have the nutrition, you have the prep time, you have the cooking time, and right at the bottom you actually will also see extra tips. So I think that's quite handy. Here you actually can go and look do shopping online if you don't have the ingredients, but that is something we will show you on another video. So when you go down, you will see ingredients and method of making the pizza, which I think is very, very helpful. Again, you have a video you can watch here. We chose all, and now if you choose video, you will just see the videos. You can browse through it and have a look at it. Underneath the one I'm moving now, this menu, now you will have lots and lots of recipes for different dishes. You can choose anything. You can choose paratha, you can choose samosas, you can choose pasta. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and please, if you have any questions, email me.